Welcome back to A4A2 Media. Today, I have a quick one for you guys on how to import media to your project. Make sure that you're on the Edit tab. This is it. And then you're going to want to go to your master folders where I have the audio, sound effect, timeline, and video. These are all the bins that I've created myself. And you can go into, let's say you want to import some media, you can go into the video bin, or you can just upload videos right here. So you're going to want to right click, and then you're going to go down to import media, click on that, and then it's going to bring you to your finder if you're on a Mac. And then you can find the media that you want to import. Right here I have on my downloads, and I can click on dumbbell bench press. I can open it up. Now I have successfully imported a video into Davinci Resolve 18.5, and you can do whatever you want with it here. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.